Is your Xumo Stream box stuck in sleep mode? Don't worry, it's a common issue with a few simple solutions. First, try the power button on the device itself. Press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, point your remote directly at the box and press any button. Still no luck? Unplug the Xumo box from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This performs a soft reset and often solves the problem. To prevent sleep mode issues, adjust your Xumo Stream box's power settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Power, then Sleep Mode. Here, you can disable auto sleep entirely or set a longer inactivity timer. Ensure your HDMI connections are secure and the correct TV input is selected. If remote commands are not working, replace the batteries or repair the remote in Settings, Remotes, and Accessories. For persistent issues, check for firmware updates in Settings, System, About. As a last resort, perform a factory reset in Settings, System Reset, but remember to back up any custom settings first.